I've done my work, so we'll be quick.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, my name is Priyanka Sagu, and we are in the week 9 of the release cycle 127. Um, I will be the host for today's meeting, and this meeting abides by the Kubernetes CNCF code of conduct, which pretty much come down to please be nice and respectful to each other. I have Brad on the call with me, and this meeting will be a little quick because we'll be mostly repeating the updates from our Wednesday meetings with some exceptions here and there. So I'll start, and just a note for you, Brad, I will put a link to this document, and
I've already
please,
got it. Thanks. Yeah, I've got it on my
okay,
screen.
okay, got it. If you can add yourself as an attendee there. Yeah,
Sure.
thank you. So we can start with the team updates quick. But before that, we have a link to the 1.27 retrospective document. So if there are any feedback, uh, please feel free to add them there. Now to enhancements. We are green. I think there will be more activity for enhancements in the coming weeks because we are reaching code freeze next week. And after that, enhancements team will start tracking the already tracked enhancements again for whether they have reached the code um, requirements, code completion requirements or not. So we might see some activity from them following next week. But for right now, it's green. Over to CI signal. I just checked the test grid board for master informing and master blocking release jobs, and it's same as for what was on Wednesday. We have 6 flaky and 1 failing on master informing. The difference being the 1 flaky we have, which is capc Windows containerd master. It's tracked as flaky in the CI signal tracking board at the moment, but it has now started to fail. So I might reach to one of the shadows and maybe we can start tracking it as failing and look into it. Otherwise, rest everything is okay, and we do not have any failing on master blocking and 4 flaky, which are already tracked. Um, on bug triage, it's same as last week. We have 1 release blocking issue at the moment that's being worked upon by the community. So we might see some more updates on that. Um, and it's regarding Go Cache, uh, client Go Cache. Yeah. Um, we don't have any critical urgent issues, no important soon issues, just in total 5 flake issues. And 39 open KKPRs for 127 out of them. 1 is critical urgent and 22 are important soon. For docs, it's green for them. The docs team have started to refresh the docs branch, and they're planning to do it continuously every week on a weekly cadence now onwards. And um, same as enhancements, they also have assigned their shadows to the tracked enhancements and they are reaching out to them. Docs placeholder PR deadline is March 16th, which is 6 days from now. So there is more activity going on there. And we might get an email from Xander on the dev mailing list regarding the same. Release notes, it's same as Wednesday meeting. It's green. They have published the release notes website for 127 Alpha 3 tag, and the draft PR is also merged for the same. Comms, for comms, there is a bit of a difference from Wednesday. 22 feature blogs were opted in with the placeholder PR, but I saw some update from the comms lead a while back. So at, as of now, the number is 19, and same is there on the tracking board. From release branch management, again, the status is green. It's around 127 alpha 3 cut, which is done now, and announcement email is linked in the document. From Emeritus Advisor James, so we had our mid-cycle retrospective meeting last week, and following that, the shadows might expect a shadow survey to come soon from James. Um, Xander, our release lead, from them, the update is only about the code freeze, which is coming next week. So we might see more activity in the release cycle again, uh, post code freeze. And yeah, that's all the updates we have for today. Um, with that, I will stop the recording. And thank you, Brad, for joining me on the call. Um, you are part of the comms team, and if I see it correctly, like the number has changed from 22 to 19. That's correct. Uh, you are on mute. Sorry.
Sorry. The one thing that I'll just quickly share my screen.
Okay.
It's disabled. I can't share it. Host
Uh,
disabled.
let
You
me
might have
try. How about now?
to.